In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install ChatGPT for Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have the GPT add-on installed so you can generate, transform, and analyze text right inside your spreadsheets, saving tons of time on repetitive work. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. At the top right of the page, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to scroll. Once Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to use. You can pick an existing file from your recent list or open one from your drive. It's helpful to start in the sheet where you plan to test the add-on, so you can confirm everything works as soon as installation is done. With your sheet open, look at the top menu bar and click Extensions. In the drop-down that appears, hover over Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. This takes you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is the official, trusted place to install tools for Google Apps. In the Marketplace, use the search bar at the top and type GPT. You'll see several results. Click the listing named GPT for Sheets and Docs. In some views, you may also see a listing labeled GPT for Sheets, Docs, Forms, Slides. Both refer to the same solution family that enables AI features across Google Apps. Open the listing page to review its description, screenshots, and permissions. It's always a good idea to glance at user ratings and the publisher details so you know you're installing the correct add-on. On the listing page, click Install. A confirmation will appear. Choose your Google account and click Continue. Make sure you're selecting the account that owns or can edit the spreadsheet you're working in, especially if you use multiple accounts on the same browser. If you're part of a managed organization, your admin may need to approve the add-on before you can proceed. Next, you'll be shown the permissions the add-on requires. Read through them so you understand what access it needs to function. When you're comfortable, click. Continue to grant access and complete the installation. The process may take a few seconds, and you'll see a message when it finishes. Once installed, return to your spreadsheet. You'll find the add-on available under the Extensions menu. From there, you can open it and follow any on-screen prompts to finish setup and start using GPT-powered functions in your sheet. That's it. Your Google Sheets is now ready to work with GPT and supercharge your workflows.